breathing will remain normal in this exercise, try to do 3 sets 15 times each side. This exercise helps in toning the hip muscles. In this, one leg is placed forwards and the other leg's knees should not touch the ground. Try doing 3 sets 15 times each side. Look at me, I'm the boy you really see. Now regrets, now reply. Working hard from 9 to 5. What you hear anyway. Feel so strange but it's okay. Looking good. For doing this exercise, try working out on your flexibility first. This exercise is good for digestion and tones the stomach muscles. While going upwards away from the ground, breathe in. While going inwards, that is towards the ground, breathe out. This exercise stretches the spine and stimulates the thyroid gland. The breathing will be normal in this exercise. It tones the hip muscles. Try doing 3 sets 15 times each side. Hey guys, if you like my videos, then please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned below in the description box.